Umami, the fifth taste, adds a savory depth to our favorite dishes. Want to take your cooking to the next level? Here's a secret ingredient, Umami Boost. First, let's talk about the star of the show, SG. Yes, you heard it right. Monosodium glutamate is a flavor enhancer that brings out the umami taste in food. Just a pinch can make a world of difference. Next, let's explore some natural sources of umami. Soy sauce, fish sauce, and miso paste are all packed with umami goodness. Add them to your marinades, sauces, or soups for an instant flavor upgrade. Another umami powerhouse is mushrooms. Whether it's shiitake, porcini, or even dried mushrooms, they all have that rich, earthy taste that can transform any dish. Don't forget about tomatoes. They may be acidic, but they also contain glutamate, the compound responsible for umami. Use tomato paste, sun-dried tomatoes, or even a dash of ketchup to add that umami punch. Lastly, let's not overlook Parmesan cheese. Its aged, nutty flavor is a fantastic umami booster. Grate it over pasta, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or use it as a finishing touch on your favorite dishes. So, there you have it. Whether it's MSG, soy sauce, mushrooms, tomatoes, or Parmesan cheese, these secret ingredients will give your dishes that umami boost they've been missing. Elevate your cooking and savor the deliciousness of umami.